Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what is up? Today we have another cloth and paper subscription box. This one is on time. It is the September box for November. So let's get on into this. As someone who literally every month I debate whether or not to cancel my subscription to the cloth and paper box. I'm just gonna say it before we get started as I'm taking everything out of the box. I use the cloth and paper spiral planner as my everything all day, every day carry, my everyday planner. So a lot of times, a lot of this stuff that comes in the subscription box, I can't really use with my planner. And so obviously that greatly affects the way that I feel about a lot of the items that come in the box. But first thing that we have is this pouch here. I like to take everything out, and me myself, when I open the box, I like to look at this little list that they include of all the items after. I like to kind of get everything out of the box, look at it myself, and then look at all of the information. But we do have all of this here, always included in the boxes that talk about all of the products, just normal inside of the box. And then we also have the little paper calendar, which again, this one's for November 2024. I use these, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I'll cut them and put them in my planner pockets. Sometimes I will actually fold it up into this little triangle and set it somewhere on my desk or behind me on my little shelves. I just don't always use it. A lot of times I just kind of tuck them away. Then we have the mirrored reflection prompt card. If you're new here, I hate these. If you are someone that likes to take pictures of your planners or your desk, whatever it is, these I don't like because obviously they're going to reflect everything. If you're taking pictures of like flat lays or whatever, I just don't like them. I don't use it. I never use it. I literally always tuck it away. It bothers me that it's a mirror. I wish they had changed it up throughout the year, but instead they did a mirror all year long, I'm pretty sure. They're not for me. Next, though, we have something that I really do like. It is the arrow stickers, and they're in the color Merlot. They're like a transparent, and then they have different sizes. I always love their stickers. The shape is a little bit different for me. Usually I just go with like a classic circle, but I like to be able to change up what I'm using, and it's a perfect color for fall, like they mentioned. I love them. Next, we have the Kanban task tracker inserts, and mine are in the A6 size. Again, I'm using a spiral planner, so I cannot really use these unless I go in and hole punch my own holes for the spiral planner, but it's A6, so it's going to be a little small. They do have on here visualize pending, ongoing, and completed tasks. These are blocks for organizing high, medium, and low priority tasks. The principle of Kanban is to be able to take action now and make incremental progress. Logging the timeline allows you to streamline the steps as you go. I do really like these. I actually really love these, and I feel like I can find another way to use them and put them into my planner, and I probably will do that because I like how they're set up. I feel like it's a nice little like check off little task keeper, so I do really like these. And we have some sticky notes. Again, I love that they are packaged in this like recyclable paper and not in plastic. I love the little touch that they add on to that little packaging as well. But you guys know I'm a sucker for a good sticky note. The only thing that I have an issue with a lot of times, unfortunately, with the cloth and paper sticky notes is they don't always stick well and to anything really. So while I love them, a lot of times I have to use a sticker to actually hold them down to even paper, or if I want to put it on my computer or on my acrylic boards, a lot of times they're not sticky. But I do like these. These are okay. Again, I like that they have the 25 on each. I don't know. I wish they could have done 50 of each, but again, they're not really my favorite. I usually like white sticky notes, and these are not white, obviously. And they're not lined. I like when sticky notes have lines, so they're just okay. Now for the pens. I honestly hate that they include the pens in the box now because it used to be separate. It's like you would either get the regular subscription box and or the pen box separate. And I never wanted the pens. So this month, I really don't like either of them. So I don't need them. I don't like how they write at all. I just think it's nice that they have like fine points. They are like finer point pens. This one, especially the Schneider pen, I'm not sure how much each of these cost individually, but once I did try this pen, It just feels so cheap in the hand. I don't like how it writes. It's not smooth or scratchy. It's neither. It just feels like a cheapy pen to me, and I'm just not a fan. This the Pilot V5 High Tech Point is a little bit better. I do like that it's like a cartridge type ink pen. I think that's pretty cool. I think it's nice looking. To me, it looks a little bit of a masculine pen, so I might give it to like a guy, but I just don't love how it writes, and I probably will not reach for these a lot. Now for the pouch, it is the checkered dust bag. I like this a lot. I just wish that it was a different color. I think that it's very well done. I love how it feels in the hand. I love the checkered design on it. I just wish it was a different color. We have so many black bags from Cloth and Paper. I just wish it was a different color. Like their other pouches that are in this like faux leather, they don't close all the way for me. I don't know if it's because like over time they close easier, but that's really a downside to me because I would want to use it right away, and it's like you can't fully close it. So I don't know if that bothers anyone else. Also, this bag, when I opened up the box, really stunk. Like it stunk bad. And I'm not sure if that's why they included the little silica packet, but it must have been because it says deodorizer on there. But this bag, it's okay. It's decent. I find uses for these bags, but I do think it's very well done. I like it. Just wish it was a different color. Now for what I think is supposed to be the like big ticket item in this box. I have to say I liked this a lot better before I actually saw it in person. It is the task roller, okay? So they have it listed as make your lists as long or as short as you need them to be with our task roller dispenser. As you pull the paper roll, line notes nestled in a stainless steel dome, the sleek metal pad provides a compact surface to write notes virtually anywhere. Okay, cool. I think it's very well done. I think it's a great idea or whatever. I just, again, like I said in another video, I don't have anywhere really to put this on my desk. I think it's very sturdy and nice. Again, it's a little bit masculine for me, but I like that they're kind of not always including like acrylic items. I like that it's the metal. And I love the other types of paper that they included as well. Mine was a little messed up here. As you can see, it came a little destroyed. But so I like the different versions. You can change out the different rolls and use different types of paper. I didn't open mine because I am going to be giving it away as a gift because I just don't have a need for it. It's very nice, but I don't have room on my desk. I don't know. Again, I think it's very cool. You can switch the rolls out very easily. And once I did look at it a little bit more, you can see the pieces. You can see how you can slide the paper into it. But again, I didn't unroll mine because I'm going to give it away as a gift. So I didn't want to like completely destroy it. It's okay. But yeah. So here's everything from the September box all laid out together. And now is the time when I kind of rank every item in here. Honestly, I'm going to say this box as a whole is probably a 4 out of 10. If I could have skipped this box, I would have skipped this box. My favorite items are probably the stickers here. I really like them. I will probably use them. They're okay. I like that there's a lot included, but I kind of think that they're just okay, but I'm a sticker girl. I love stickers. I will never say no really to a sticker. And then we have the overall like little calendar for November. Again, sometimes I use these, sometimes I don't, so I don't mind getting them. Just okay. And then we have the monthly reflection, the little mirror card. I don't use them. I don't use the prompts. I literally don't use them at all. So I could have done without that. I don't know. I must be the only person that feels that way about them. I just wish they hadn't done them for every single box all year long. And I really hope they don't include it for 2025, to be honest. My opinion. Again, we have the inserts, and again, these only really bother me because they are already hole punched for the A6 size, which would be perfect if I was actually using my A6 planner, which I'm not. I do really like them though. I just wish they were unpunched, you know, unhole punched, and then I could just do whatever I wanted with them. So I do like them though. I'm gonna move out of the way the little task roller because again, not my favorite. I could have done without it. I realized this whole box was kind of that was it for this box, was like this item. It's very nice, but it's not for me. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to gift it away because I do think it's a good gift for somebody, but just it's not really going to work in my life. So not my favorite. I could have done without it. I would have skipped this box if I had the option to skip, because I'm just not going to use that. So just going to move that out of the way completely. And then the pens, again, are another thing that I could have done without. Definitely would have skipped this box because most of this stuff is just not really, I'm not switching these out for any pens that I'm currently using. I don't really like how they write. I don't really like how they look. They're nice pens though, but I'm probably going to gift these away too because they're just not my favorite. I have other pens that I love. I wish they didn't include pens also in every single box. And I'm probably literally the only person that feels that way, and that's fine. And then we have the pouch. Again, like I said, the pouch is nice. I wish that it closed all the way, so that kind of affects what I can use it for. I do like to use these in my bags though when I change stuff out. I hope it stops smelling. Hopefully that little deodorizer thing in there works, but I do think these are nice. This is also another thing that would be nice to like put gifts inside of, if it closed all the way, but it's decent. It's okay. And the sticky notes are another one of probably my favorite items in the box. It's the inserts and the sticky notes. They are not white. They're not lined. I wish there was 50 of each, but I will find a way to use them. I love sticky notes. I'm a stickers girl. I'm a sticky notes girl. I will find a way to use them, trust me. And again though, the inserts I'm sure I will find a way to use. Even if I just cut off the holes and use a sticker to put it up on my wall, I will find a way to use these because I do really like them. I think their inserts are always so well thought out and so well done. I do always love a good task tracker. So that is everything for the box and my opinions of this box. It's not my favorite. I would have skipped it even though it was for my birthday month of September. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.